Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. Identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the nut anti-clockwise. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Put the light back in its housing. Plug the electrical connector back together. Screw the butterfly valve back in and fix it by hand. Close the access flap. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.